Hey, Daryl here from Alpha LED Pool Lights, Alpha LED Lighting here in sunny Queensland on the Gold Coast. Talk about the SM18, which is our retrofit or our new build. So either way, it doesn't matter. Let's talk about new builds today. So if you're a pool builder or an electrician that's installing pool lights to an existing pool, or even putting pool lights into a pool that hasn't got lights, comes with two brackets. Take the choice which one you're using. If it's a new build, if it's a retrofit, you will choose these holes. There's a series of holes. It comes with an A and a B bracket, so you can actually then modify this bracket to suit the holes that are in the pool wall, because there's about 8 or 9 brands of lights. These holes will cover that, so you'll find that this works perfectly. If it's a new build, it comes with its own screws, stainless steel and heavy duty plugs that you can drill. You want to drill about 35 mil into the wall. It's a 6 gauge drill bit, so very simple, just a hammer drill to get those in. Now, most importantly is our heat shrink. This is our point of difference. So a lot of people use connections which are block connectors and they rely on grease. They all fail. They will all fail. This is bulletproof. So we're talking resin crimps. So they're full of resin. This slides over the top, that's full of resin. You've got a double seal. So how does that work? We put the resin crimps onto the cable. This happens at both ends, so either the pool end as well as the dry end. Now you shrink that down and then you slide this resin crimp over the top. You centralize it between the other cable and this cable that you join on the light to. Melt that down. That's not going anywhere. Beauty of this is once that's melted down on the back of the light, we've even got a cable management system on the back where we can wrap this all the way around. Very, very neat. That houses all of your connection, and what it does, it allows the light to sit flush. A lot of other lights don't have this. That's unique to Alpha LED. Again, cable management, pool lighting installation. We have a record for the speed that this takes to be installed, and it's about 80% quicker than other market brands out there. So talk to us more about that. You can DM us in the box and just find out more. Jump onto our website, alphaledlighting.com.au or alphaledpoollights.com.au.